Them 3D printed rims are holding up pretty good. I thought I had that. Woo! Damn, I should have kept. I can't land that shit. Fucking right in the puddle. Perfect, bitch! Oh, I did it for the show! I'm back! I feel like I'm gonna get better jumps from this side. The perspective isn't as crazy. Ah, push forward. S. I'm gonna be wheeling like crazy. What is it right here? Woo! Oh, we landed up perfect. Ooh, I almost had that. Oh, when I cut. Oh, when I stop. This one's good money right here. Oh, the wall scared me. The wall scared me. Overdrive, loaded dick broke a spine. My business to get between yo bitches open thighs.